Convertkit versus Mailchimp. Which email marketing tool should you use? Today I want to talk to you guys about email marketing and the tools that you need to use in order to be successful with your online business. Now, I've used Mailchimp and I've used Convertkit as email marketing tools, and I can tell you that one of them smacks it straight out the park. And I'm sure you can guess which one it is. Convertkit wins by mile. And there are three reasons why. The three things that I look for in my email marketing tool is I want it to be easy to add a new form to my website. I want it to look good on my website. I want that form to look professional when someone comes to sign up. And I want to deliver my lead magnets simply and easily to my customers. Convertkit makes it really simple and easy to create a new sign up form for your website. It makes it super easy to embed it on your website. They've got their very own plugin, and all you have to do is add the shortcode and it looks good. I had problems in the past where my Mailchimp forms would jump around and change size and wouldn't look good on my website. I haven't had any of those issues with Convertkit. All of my forms look professional, they fit to the size that I wanted them to be, and they look really good on mobile phones, which is exactly what we need going forward with everyone moving towards using their mobile phone for everything. So to summarize, the three reasons why I moved from Mailchimp to Convertkit is the ease of use to create a new sign-up form, the ease of use to embed that on my website, and the fact that it looks professional and it looks good when a visitor comes to my website to sign up. And the third and final reason is how easy it is to deliver my lead magnets to my customers. And the cool thing is Convertkit gives you 14 days to try out their systems and see if it works for you. I really love that they give you this free trial without having to add any credit card information or give them any payment system to collect from you when you don't want them to. Don't take my word for it. Head over and try the Convertkit trial for yourself and see if it works for you. I'll leave a link for you in the description. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, because we create new videos every single day showing you how to start your YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel. We'll see you on the inside.